How to fix iPhone stuck on Apple logo or boot loop. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. The first fix is to force restart your iPhone. Force restart your iPhone by simply pressing the volume up button and then quickly pressing the volume down button and then holding the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. Once force restarted, see if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then you can use your iPhone recovery mode and update your iOS. So go ahead and connect iPhone to a computer and then put iPhone in recovery mode. Now follow the same button combo as force restart, but keep holding until you see a computer or USB icon on the screen. Now in Finder or iTunes, choose the Update button. This will reinstall iOS without erasing your data. If update works, your app's photos and settings remain intact. And if your issue is still not fixed, then check your hardware and battery. Make sure your battery and charging cable are in good condition. Also, physical damage, water exposure, or failing parts can trigger endless boot loops. And if suspected, book a free diagnostic at Apple Support or an authorized service provider. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix iPhone stuck on Apple logo or boot loop. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.